Morning everybody, Murph here for Murph Talks on a Tuesday morning, and I am out working on a flower bed here, getting it prepped for some new mulch and possibly some flowers. So getting all the weeds out of here and gonna keep the hostas, but all the grass, the weeds. Then I'm gonna put a little edge on it with the weed eater, what we call a faux edge that looks nice, but it's not a real edge like on a bunker. I am out on number 17. This is a par 3. It's about 170 yards. This is one of the tougher par 3s here. The green slopes back to front, but it also slopes left to right, and it's very undulating. Typical Donald Ross here. So this is our flower bed that's next to the tee. We got the outhouses or the shelter houses there. However, this hole is kind of special because at the 39th PGA Championship held July 17th through the 21st, 1957, Lionel Herbert won the last match play PGA Championship by defeating Dow Finsterwald 3-1 on this hole. So kind of a nice piece of history for number 17 here. We have hosted some of the PGA's big events back in the day, but we're not quite long enough to do that anymore. So we do have other events out here, which is nice. The Ohio USGA, and we have junior events, club pros, that kind of thing. So we do host a lot of events out here during the year, just not the big folks. So I'm going to finish this bed here, get it all prepped, get ready for some mulch, put an edge on it, get some flowers. Then I'm going to move on to another bed we have over by 15T. So have a great Tuesday, everybody. We got a half-inch of rain last night in about 25 minutes, so we are really flooded after all the rain we had this past weekend. So we might be able to get out and mow greens later today, but we're just going to have to see. Have a great Tuesday, everybody. Murph out.